Hello, welcome everybody. Now, uh, I will do this some good information for coming 2024. 2024 will be short list coin market to this ice coin. Then we will be successful withdraw or exchange uh, any currency from 2024 October that 7. Okay. Therefore, this ice ice coin is very important now today. Therefore, don't miss. Therefore, if you want to earn ice coin, this ice coin is free free earning free earning free withdraw. Okay. From the coming 2024 October that 7. Okay. Therefore, this is the very important now. If you want to register, sign up, you go to in my description of this YouTube. Okay. Therefore, you will be sure to find the one reference link. You will be use my user code basan. Yeah, here. This is my code. Okay. Therefore, after successful sign up, register, you go to follow step by step. Then after successful everything follow, you will be mine every day 24 hour. After 24 again there will be mine. Okay. Now is mining. Okay, you can see here mining. How much will be take the period? Stake period 5 year. 5 year. Okay. Pre-staking bonus 250% now. Click. Okay. Year 5 5 year. Anyone choose here margin. Okay. Now I doing the margin. Okay. Allocation to here anyone you choose a percent. How many percentage do you want to put? Okay. I doing the margin 100%. Okay. Therefore now I am mining 18.20 to 20%. 20%. Okay. I will show the risk. It is 250%. Okay. After this 5 year. Okay. This is the very important. Okay. Therefore, now so many so many friends are doing participate day by day. Okay. Increasing because now I will show here. This is the four point here states. Now to tell user how much. Okay. Now is online user 12 12. Okay. 12 lakh. Therefore this is the very important. Now Ethereum edges. Ethereum edges this is very important. You will be sure successful withdraw by using this Ethereum edges. Okay. After successful restart, login finish, you also may accept to insert this Ethereum address. Click. Okay. Enter your Ethereum address. During phase 1, the ICE token will be released on the Ethereum blockchain. Once mainnet has been launched, the token will be swappable from Ethereum to ICE open network blockchain. Okay. You go to the click for open OKX wallet. Okay. You will be sure to find from my this YouTube. Go to my description. You will be sure to find the one reference link for OKX exchange. Okay. After successful put here your address confirm. Click confirm address. Okay. Click confirm. Okay. Such like you also submit your Ethereum address. This is very important. Therefore, achievement congratulations. Okay. Therefore, every day will be click here for mining increase. Okay. Now time left 18 minutes 17 second. After this 18 minutes 14 second, I will be sure get bonus, some bonus from here after I click OK. Therefore, this is very important. This ice ice network, ice mining is very important. Free earning, free withdraw from coming 2024 October 7. Therefore, don't miss. Thank you.